A Golfer's Tales of Weathering the Storm. Asterisk. Wisdom is like the rain. Its source is limitless, but it comes down according to the season. I feel like the earth, astonished at the perfume born in the air, made pregnant with mystery from a drop of rain. Rumi. Golf is more than just a sport. It's not about perfect swings, manicured greens, or mingling with fellow golfers. It's about the synergy of the mind, body, and spirit, all against the grand stage of Mother Nature herself. Just as the essence of life is not just about sunny days, golf is not limited to clear skies either. Every golfer knows that the mood of the weather can significantly influence the course of their game. And when dark clouds loom on the horizon, and the rain starts to fall, washing away the promise of a beautiful round, it leaves behind a trail of mixed emotions. Foremost among these feelings is disappointment, that bitter ring that resonates within the heart of every golfer staring down a waterlogged fairway. The clouds haven't simply gathered in the sky, they are forming in the mind of our golfer too. That carefully planned par 4 is suddenly lost to the elements, victim to forces far beyond control. The golfer now finds himself grappling not just with the disappointment of the moment but also the challenge of mentally rescheduling, of having to wait for another day to play the beloved game. Asterisk. Yet, in this space of disappointment, too, there is an undercurrent of acceptance. Golf, at its core, is a game of adaptability and patience. True golfers understand the importance of embracing unexpected obstacles, be they bunkers, water hazards, or even weather disruptions. Rain is another element of this litmus test, pushing golfers to step back, take a deep breath, and adapt. Sometimes, the rain might even come as a strange kind of relief. There's the adrenaline rush before a game, then the calm after. When rain cancels around, it allows a brief moment of respite. It will enable golfers to nurse aches and pains, mull over strategies, and, importantly, build anticipation for the rounds ahead. And many times, there's a light feeling of joy. The rain, despite all its disruption, has its undeniable beauty. It waters the greens, cleanses the air, and leaves everything looking more vibrant. To the golfer's eye, the course after a good rain is a sight to behold. The fairways somehow seem greener, the air fresher. It's as if the rain has breathed new life into the golf course, offering a wordless promise of better rounds in the future. In the end, golf is about harmony with oneself, with others, and with nature. Every drop of rain that cancels a round is a poignant reminder of this underlying philosophy. It might not give the golfer the echo of a struck ball or the joy of a successful putt. Still, it lends something equally precious, an opportunity for pause, reflection, anticipation, and an essential reminder that golf, like life, is filled with unpredictable charm and challenge. Anyone who says sunshine brings happiness has never danced in the rain, and known